Target for views of this video will be 1000 views, and for likes I am keeping 100 likes. Okay, hope you all do that for me. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malayala. I think most of you already seen the title and thumbnail. So on what topic which I am going to talk in this video. Regarding this particular topic, many students have asked me to make a separate video regarding this. Many people have wasted their class 11 due to corona and all. Bhaiya, please give us some tips and suggestions or strategies so that we can cover class 11 as well as class 12 and crack JEE 2022. So for all of you, so today I am here with the video, and now it's your turn to share this video to as much as extent you can. Okay, without taking much time, let's get into the video. So first and foremost, I would say give preference to class 12 first and then class 11. There is nothing like that you will get more questions from class 12 or more questions from class 11. So why I am saying you give more preference to class 12 or class 11, because you already wasted class 11. So thinking about that, don't waste your class 12 also. So just focus on your class 12 preparation. So if you start thinking about class 11 preparation, so that will really cost you a lot. That will affect your class 12 preparation and also your JEE main score. So first and foremost, what I am saying is stop saying that you have wasted class 11. I cannot able to crack JEE 2022. So don't think like that. You can crack. I am going to give some of the strategies and tips which are really helpful for you. So don't skip the video till the end. Unacademy is coming up with Evolve batch for class 12, that is JEE Main and JEE Advanced 2022 aspirants. And you can also like present class 12 and also droppers. You can utilize this batch. So the batch is starting from 12th May. So if you are interested to join this particular batch, the link for this batch is in the description. You can join from there, and don't forget to use my code CharanYT for you will get instant 10% discount. Unacademy IIT JEE Combat is back. It is a weekly scholarship program. Take it as a mock test every Sunday 11 am. That is May 16, May 23, May 30, 11 am. Link for this test is in the description. Use my code CharanYT, CHARNYT, and register now for free. Coming to second point, so decide some time and give that time to class 11 subject. Either weekends, decide on yourself. So it based on you. So for me, for example, so if I were in that situation, I may give like averagely 1 hour per day or at max 2 hours per day for class 11, or else weekends, Saturday, Sunday, or else giving 4 days to class 12, 3 days to class 11. So like this, I would choose any one of that and I can complete class 11 as well as class 12. So this is one of the strategy. And one more important thing, so if you are fixing some time, for example, if you are fixed that 2 hours per day will be class 11, in that 2 hours only cover class 11 and don't think about class 12. For example, if that 2 hours is completed, keep class 11 aside and again start class 12. Okay, so that's the reason in the first point I said don't let class 11 preparation affect your class 12 preparation. And first and foremost, you should complete the connected chapters. Okay, so some chapters will be connected to your class 12. So if you complete those first, so you will get the confidence that you can also easily solve the class 12 chapters also if you complete the chapters which are connected in class 11. For example, coming to organic chemistry. So if you are good at isomerism, so general organic chemistry, so reactions E1, E2, S1, SN1, SN2. So if you are good at these reactions, so most of the named reactions will be completed. So means completed in the sense you will be able to understand them easily without any problem. Okay, so that is what I am saying. Like this, you check for the connected topics. And here in the second point, I want to give you one more strategy. That is, for example, like we usually have in class 12 PCM, physics, chemistry, maths. What you can do is take it as 4 subjects. So in that 4th subject, in place of that 4th subject, you can keep any of one of the subjects of class 11. For example, P2, that is physics 2, chemistry 2, maths 2 is done. Either P1, C1 or M1. So class 11 maths, class 11 chemistry, class 11 physics. Out of 3, select one and prepare a timetable for 4 subjects, not 3 subjects, because 4 subjects. As I said, you need to pay the compensation. Okay, you need to work hard. If you want something, you should work for it, right? So make a timetable for 4 subjects and then complete like that. So once you're done with the other subject, like once you're done with the syllabus, you can cover any one of the other left 2 subjects. For example, if you take maths and if you complete that maths, and if class 12 syllabus is also done, you can solve now any one of the subjects from physics and chemistry, and you can leave one subject also. So because if you have time, you can also cover. So I said connected topics, right? So from the third subject. So if you don't have time, you can leave those subjects, but connected topics are must. So this is of second point. Coming to third point, attend classes properly. Don't miss that, because 50 to 60% of your preparation will be done when you listen classes properly. Okay, so don't miss this class 12 classes. So you don't miss your online classes. Do join your online classes and listen properly. If you don't listen these online classes properly, so you will also going to waste your class 12. So till now only class 11, but now you are also going to waste your class 12. Next comes fourth point will be coming to NCERT for inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry. In my detailed video regarding best books for preparation of IIT, JEE, BITSAT, MSET, I have clearly explained what are all the books you need to focus. So in that way, so I wanted to say, first and foremost, for chemistry, you can easily cover NCERT book. So NCERT is nothing but the Telugu Academy book in Telangana and AP. So both books are same for chemistry, but maths is different. Physics and chemistry are same as NCERT. Maths is different. Okay, in Telangana and AP, most of the states, I think you use, if you are from CBSE, you people use already the NCERT books. So that's what I'm saying. Like organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry, you will learn most out of it. Coming to fifth point, I regularly say this fifth point: follow one book. So we always say that quality is greater than quantity. So it is not like you have solved 2 books or 3 books for JEE Mains preparation. Just know how much you have solved from that book. Okay. So if you take one book, try to solve from 0 to infinity. For example, from page 1 to page end, last page. So you have to solve each and everything from that book. If you do that, you will get full knowledge. So if you try to solve 2 books, surely you will be off knowledge person. Okay. So there is a one story regarding that also. So a person tries to stand one leg on one ship and another leg on another ship. So there is a particular instance where ships move aside. Okay. So at that time, where will the person go? He will fall into the sea or he will fall into the river. So that is what I am saying. Try to stand on one ship. That is, try to follow only one book. Just regarding the books, I have made a video. Do check that video. The link for the video is also in the description. That video will really help you out. Next comes practice from mistakes. So this thing also I usually says each and everyone who is preparing for JEE Mains, because I used to follow this. Test analysis. Learn from your mistakes. Okay. So practice makes man perfect, right? Whenever you do a mistake, do note it down in a paper or in a book. For every 2 to 3 days, try to give a mock test, and after giving mock test, check wherever you did the mistake. So try to do this test analysis. If you do that, so if the same question arises in the next exam, you will not do that mistake. Finally, I would like to say that focus on what you can do. So don't spoil your present time thinking about the past things which you have did. Okay. So that is what I wanted to say. So hope you all loved this video. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.